The Reno 15 5G runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. This is an 8-core chip paired with the Adreno 722 GPU running at 1150 MHz. At meron din siyang 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. In short, this is a solid mid-range chipset na kayang mag-handle ng daily tasks nang walang kahirap-hirap. In terms of multitasking, sobrang smooth niya. App switching is instant and social media scrolling feels fluid. All thanks to that 120Hz display and responsive processor. Wala akong na-experience na lag or stutter sa regular use, and mula sa messaging, browsing, hanggang sa YouTube, all of it are running perfectly. For gaming, I tested Mobile Legends at high settings in Pro Gamer mode. Stable ang frame rate at talagang smooth ang gameplay kahit na sa intense team fights. Sa PUBG Mobile naman, okay din yung kanyang performance, pero as expected, sa isang mid-ranger, may mangilan-ngilan lang na frame drops pagka naka-max graphics ka na. Sa Call of Duty Mobile naman, very playable siya at high settings. Magandang response time at hindi ka mabibitin.